How to create Huntington Bank Online Banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine on your device and then search for Huntington Bank. Now just select the link which is on top, that is the official website of the bank. Now let's wait for some time here. Now once you are on the website, just scroll up and you'll see a person icon right beside the icon of a location. Just tap on it. Okay, here we go. Now you can see the option of Enroll Now just below New to Online Banking below the option of Login. Now just tap on the option of Enroll Now in order to create a new account. Okay, let's wait for some time. Now once you are on this web page, you can select any of these options given. Either you can create your account by using your account number or you can use your debit card number. If you choose these options, like for instance, let's say use my account number, then you have to fill in these fields with your account number and then your social security number. Also, it's the same if you choose use my debit card number. You have to enter your debit card number and simply enter your PIN and at last your social security number or tax ID. Then simply tap on continue in order to create a new account. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.